Okay, hey guys, so I know I didn't start a intro to this video, so I'm going to do it now, and this will just be inserted in the beginning of my video. But hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoy this kind of whole house clean with me. I am cleaning my downstairs, my kitchen, around the desk, all the usual. Bathroom downstairs, it didn't really need cleaned up, but I definitely wiped it down and everything, just to make it look a little bit better. And now I'm going to go upstairs and tackle laundry, my bedroom, the bathroom upstairs, and that's my video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll get into that.
You needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking it. I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
Okay guys, so I finished downstairs. This is hours later, and my kids are already in bed. It's like after 9 o'clock, so I am finally doing my upstairs after I relaxed and everything. So I'm going to clean up my bedroom, and I'm going to clean up my bedroom. Then I'm going to I might end up starting a load of laundry. I'm not really sure yet, depending on how much. There's stuff everywhere, okay? Don't judge me. But I might start a load of laundry. Then I'm gonna go to my bathroom, and it's not really dirty or anything. I just need to wipe down the I'm gonna wipe off the toilet seat just like how I did downstairs, and wipe off the sink, and probably sweep. But that's it for my bathroom, because I just cleaned the bathrooms. And then get started on folding this laundry, because guys, look, there's a clean load right there and a clean load right there. So I definitely need to fold that laundry and get it out of here. So let's get started on cleaning up this room.
Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she icy. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the domain just whole team here, might need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer. If you're down in my management, I'm just warming up, wait till I old producer saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town where you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring and you tough enough. Wanna get you new things with your pockets dull. Run it up. I used to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move humble cause the hate and the jealousy. My mama telling me count up your blessings and run it up.
So I just filmed a whole part of me folding this little bit of laundry here, and the whole thing was blurry. So I'm gonna put this stuff away, and luckily I still have like my towels and stuff to fold. I did put that load in the washer, so that's washing. Yeah, so let me put this stuff away and get to folding some more stuff.
Some food. Now you're all on live acting surprised, but you was fooled. Boy, get out the way, it's been a day, now you're old news. Now you got the pen and pad, you're trying to take my moves. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's icy. I got wifey on bling and she icy. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's icy. I got wifey on bling and she icy. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos.
Okay guys, so I'm all done with all of the laundry, and so this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Peace. Well, come on in, Tim. He also says bye.
Have a nice evening. Thank you for joining us. Hi, come again.
Okay, bye.